Yeah.
So anytime you're braking, the head should be looking for the road.
Okay.
Where's the road? It's over here. No, that's okay.
I was looking too far.
Okay, so you want to go to this website, and I'll type it in the description, but it's driving.bmwusa.com, and it brings you to this page, and you want to look for the Ultimate Driving Experience, and you just want to scroll down, find your city, click Learn More, and it'll load up on the next page here. Okay, and it'll bring you here, and then what you want to find, you're at the Ultimate Driving Experience. This is kind of what it looks like. So if you watch their video, you register. This is exactly what I did, and they set up a different course. And you kind of go through and go with an instructor, go around the course, and then they let you take a couple hot laps as well. In the car, and all you have to do is just find your city here. So the three things you get to do on the Ultimate Driving Experience Day is you get to do the autocross. You have street drives where they let you just kind of go drive the car for yourself, and then they have got this IX experience, which is kind of interesting. Find your city, then you brings you here, and then you just kind of scroll down. Here are all the dates. So I went to the one that was in San Francisco, and then you go to register, and you're allowed to do one of these per year. So if you've already done one this year, then you won't be able to do it. Pick your date. So I went on the 20th, but you can see they're doing it all weekend. And you kind of click your registration, and then they send you an email, a little QR code, and then you just go show up. And that's it. So we're here at the BMW Ultimate Driving Experience event over in Alameda, and they've got a bunch of cars out on display. So you've got this really nice XM, which is the largest BMW model that they make, and they've got the iX, which is fully electric. I think the XM is hybrid, and this is fully electric. They've got an i7 here, which is really cool. That's really big. Wow. That's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And then what do we got here? We got the M4. M4 convertible. Really nice. And then this is the M2. All right, here we are over at the Autocross event, and we're just in the prep tent. So they're just telling us about the cars that we get to take around the track, and then a few rules about the track and what it looks like. So we're just sitting and waiting for our turn, but this is what it's like.
Accelerate out on the track. Up left, a little bit. You've got kind of a tighter right there. As you come out there, add power to the sweeping corners down to the end. Hard brakes there for a tight right-hander to come back towards us. Again, another right-hander. Now add some power through the chicane. And then right here, come off the power right about there, and then brakes.
Go. Give me some power. Go right, look for the orange cone to the right. As you come next to that orange cone, already look at the next one, power. Give me power. Keep going back left. Still back left. You gotta brake for this one before you get to it. Brake, turn in, go all the way to the left. Keep turning. Now look for the orange cone. Go right next to it. Right next to it.
Got it.
Now go jog back left, right. Thread the lead needle right there. Brake a little bit. See the orange cone? You know you're going to be turning.
I didn't see that one.
That's it. Always look for them. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Power. Right next to that one. Back to the left. Keep looking back left again. Come up here. You got to brake before the corner.
Right.
Turn hard right. Come all the way over to the left. Look at the orange cone. Turn in left. Right next to it. Little 8. And straight into pit lane between the two green cones. See, if you're already looking at it and turning in, go right next to it. The car's already positioned for the next corner.
Got it.
If you're late and it's pushing over, now you're turning when it should have been this way. Always be looking. And you tattled on yourself when you said I didn't see the orange.
I know. It's okay.
It's to me a traditional BMW feel.
Yeah.
Just a fun car to drive. To find that exit of the corner, and you'll be able to keep the car moving through the turn.
Okay. Yeah.
So anytime you're braking, the head should be looking for the road.
Okay.
Where's the road? It's
Oh.
over here.
Ah.
No, that's okay.
I was looking too far.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's okay. You didn't actually.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why you didn't hit those cones.
Okay.
To the left. If you'd looked straight ahead, your
Uh-huh.
brain would have changed its goal
Okay.
to straight ahead, and then your hands would have
Track 1, hold to start.
unwound for a moment.
Okay.
And then you would have hit the cones. But
Got
because you were
it.
looking away, it was like,
Yeah.
okay, I'll keep going in this direction.
Okay. Okay. Really cool.
Okay. So unfortunately, the city shut down their street drive event. I guess some of the cars got damaged when people went out for a drive. So we're able to jump in and do this. It's called the I Experience. So we'll go ahead and give this a try and see what goes on here.
Got here. This
Yeah.
is the IXM60.
Yeah.
We are going to show you, I'm sure you've been watching, like I said, we got 811 pounds of torque.
Wow.
610 horsepower,
Okay.
0 to 60, 3.2 seconds.
Nice.
Now, we are going to floor this car as fast as I can.
Okay.
And we're going to slam on the brakes. We're going to stop right before those stop signs.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right.
Let's roll.
Go.
Nice.
Oh, I love my job.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
So have you ever heard of four-wheel steering at all?
No.
So this car has four-wheel steering. So straight ahead, I
Really?
have front-facing camera, bird's eye view.
Okay.
Now, as I take this sharp right turn,
Yeah.
you can tell this is a very
Oh,
tight
wow.
course.
Yeah.
Back tires right now, they're actually going opposite from the tires in the front.
Okay.
Very minimal, about 2.5 to 3 degrees. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Now at higher speeds,
Yeah.
40 miles or higher, the back tires automatically change and they go the same direction, calling it the crab walk.
Oh.
So it
Okay.
changes from high speeds to low speeds.
Okay.
We have 5,769 pounds of weight.
Oh, yeah.
This MSRP, it starts at 108.
Right.
That's nice. Wow. Oh, I really like this. I like this. So it reminds me of the, I think Volvo had it first. They had the little crystal on the,
Crystal applications,
yeah, that looks really nice.
So we have Swarovski Crystal. We
Okay.
can officially say it's Swarovski Crystal.
Oh, wow.
Robertson Wilkins, so you have the top of the line surround sound here. It's got 30 speakers. Some of them are hidden.
Yeah.
So it has a really nice like 3D, 4D surround. They have like an actual tactile experience that you have
Okay.
with it,
Yeah.
which is super cool. The
that's
i7 will
neat.
get about 300 miles to the range.
Okay.
Depending on which one.
Oh, so
you want.
it's a hybrid or is it all electric?
This one's fully electric,
Oh,
i7,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, I
fully
didn't know.
electric. And you do
Great.
have an 8K theater screen in the back that does come down. So at like the press of a button, all
Okay.
the shades go up and the theater
Oh,
screen
that,
does come down.
okay.
So I'm sorry I can't demonstrate.
Okay,
that
that's
for you.
all right. That's all right.
It is a really neat feature.
That's pretty cool.
The seat will actually fold down, and you'll notice so that one reclines, and there's like a footrest.
Okay.
So this is the loungy seat behind
Got
me. So
it,
this is where you
got
want to
it.
be if you're a backseat passenger.
Right. Very
There's
cool.
also massaging seats built in.
Okay. Okay, so that's kind of it for the BMW Ultimate Driving Experience Day. There's 3 activities. Unfortunately, one of them got canceled, the street drives. But definitely worth it to come and check out the Autocross and then the iX Experience. So definitely check it out if you can find one near your city.